He is a miracle working God. He is a miracle working God. He's a wonder. He's a miracle. He's a miracle working God. Yeah. Greetings, 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 and welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on the miracle signs and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples when they were on earth. So come with me, like we build with faith. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one somebody. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you don't miss none of what I go and write us so. 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist GWAAN Richards Goffe.
Today, we are going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 1 from verse 29 to verse 34. After Jesus left the Jew them church, them go straight as Simon and Andrew house. James and John did go with them too. Simon's mother-in-law did sick in a bed of roast with fever. When Jesus reached the house, them tell him about her. Jesus go to her, hold her hand, and take time raise her up. The fever broke and she start look after them. After the sun go down and evening come, the people them carry all of the sick people them and all of the people them with demon did a control go at Jesus. The whole town gather up at the house door. So him heal whole heap of them with it sick with all kind of different sickness and run out demon out of enough of them. But he never make the demon them say nothing, cause them didn't know who him be. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.